This is a motor that came in that's been worked on by a couple other shops that were, everybody said it was a starter issue and sort of got us to think it was the starter issue. So we started playing with starters, and what it was is the motor was locking up because that top bearing is just disintegrated. Those parts shouldn't come out of there. That's the seal. But that piece right there is not supposed to be in pieces. And it just melted. You can look at the crank, how it's discolored and blued where it's building up so much heat. And stator goo where it melted things. But the fun part was all the pistons. It was bored 20 over, 20 over, 20 over, 20 over, and 20 over. This one wasn't bored. It's got a standard piston, and it's probably the original piston. This piston, and that piston are all the same matching pistons. And then this one right here and this one right here are probably put in at a different time because it's a different style of piston. But the funny thing is, I'd say that was the last ones that were done. If you notice, it says exhaust port, and the exhaust is over here. And that's the port piston and the exhaust, which is over here. And then this one right here says exhaust, excuse me, it says exhaust right there. Exhaust, and it's over on the exhaust side. So that piston's been put in upside down. So this motor was pretty much doomed from the beginning. But that's why everybody was thinking it was starter problems, including us for a while, until it just decided to lock up on us when we were running it yesterday. And then we decided to tear it apart and find out just what was going on with it. But that main bearing was locking the engine down, and then it manifested as a starter issue.